I've seen crack cocaine from the sky like rain, then flood my street corner. Now prisons are full, families disconnected. The operator says, no collect calls accepted. Visiting hours 9 to 2, long lines of lonely women and children. Homicide detective, undertaker, funeral procession every 7 hours. And my community has chosen death and destruction for profit. And I've seen crack cocaine from the sky like rain, then flood my street corner. And crack keeps falling on my head. Fingertips, lips, all burn red. Crack on my head. And crack keeps falling on my, crack keeps falling on my head. But finally, the kids forgave the elders, and the elders forgave the kids. Respect and communication. We gonna take the good with the bad. My community, they decided to work it out. Now we got community gardens and block parties. And those hood huggers replaced some of those hustlers on the block. This hustle right here, it won't be easy. But we, the people, have decided to work it out. Now, our goal now is to rebuild Affrilachia. We're going to do it through the arts, the environment, and social enterprise.